The case of Audrey Fang's tragic death in Spain is deeply disturbing and has garnered significant attention, not just in Singapore but internationally as well. The details emerging from the investigation conducted by the Spanish authorities shed light on the events leading up to her untimely demise and raise troubling questions about the circumstances surrounding it. Audrey Fang, a 39-year-old Singaporean architect, embarked on a solo trip to Spain, presumably for leisure or personal reasons. However, her journey took a harrowing turn when her lifeless body was discovered in a carpark lot in Abanilla, a municipality in the Murcia region, on April 10. The discovery of her body, bearing over 30 stab wounds, sent shockwaves through both her homeland and the international community. The investigation into her death uncovered crucial pieces of evidence, including CCTV footage that captured the last moments before her disappearance. Reviewing the footage, authorities identified a dark gray sedan picking her up from her hotel in Jávea on the night of April 9. This footage, released by the Civil Guard, provided valuable leads in tracing her movements and ultimately led to the arrest of a suspect, later identified as Mitchell Ong, a 43-year-old Singaporean man. The timeline of events following Audrey's disappearance is chilling. The car that picked her up was tracked to Alicante, where surveillance cameras captured the driver, identified as Mitchell Ong, purchasing a parking ticket. Subsequently, the car traveled to Abanilla, the same municipality where Audrey's lifeless body was discovered. The suspect's movements, as captured by CCTV cameras, paint a haunting picture of his activities in the lead-up to and aftermath of Audrey's death. On April 16, the Civil Guard arrested Mitchell Ong at his hotel in Alicante. The arrest, documented in video footage released by the authorities, depicted officers searching his room for evidence related to the crime. The presence of a bouquet of flowers in his hotel room adds a poignant layer to the investigation, suggesting a possible romantic connection between Audrey and the suspect. The motive behind Audrey Fang's killing remains under investigation, with authorities exploring the possibility of a romantic relationship between her and the suspect. While the exact nature of their association is yet to be fully understood, reports suggest that they may have known each other for years. However, Audrey's family has raised concerns about a potential economic motive behind her death, hinting at her recent involvement in investment activities and financial transactions with unidentified parties. The court proceedings involving Mitchell Ong offer glimpses into the legal ramifications of Audrey's tragic death. Appearing in court on April 19, Ong invoked his right not to testify, and the judge ordered his remand in provisional detention without bail. The solemn atmosphere outside the courthouse, with Audrey's family members seeking moral support and her lawyer advocating for justice, underscores the profound impact of her loss on her loved ones. As the investigation unfolds and more details emerge, the public is left grappling with the profound implications of Audrey Fang's death. The circumstances surrounding her demise, from the chilling CCTV footage to the revelations about her relationship with the suspect, evoke a sense of unease and disbelief. Yet, amidst the tragedy, there is a collective call for accountability and justice for Audrey, whose vibrant life was cut short in a manner that defies comprehension. The autopsy findings, revealing the cause of Audrey's death as knife wounds and head trauma, further underscore the brutality of the crime. While the absence of sexual assault offers some solace, it does little to alleviate the profound grief felt by those who knew and loved her. As her remains are prepared for release pending authorization from the court, the poignant reminder of her untimely passing serves as a somber reflection on the fragility of life and the enduring quest for truth and closure in the face of senseless violence. The tragic fate that befell Audrey Fang serves as a stark reminder of the dangers that lurk beneath the surface of seemingly ordinary circumstances. Her story resonates far beyond the confines of national borders, prompting soul-searching and reflection on issues ranging from personal safety to the complexities of human relationships. As her memory lives on in the hearts of those who knew her, so too does the resolve to seek justice and prevent similar tragedies from occurring in the future.